This year, I am trying out 5 diets. Yup, no body goals, I'm just exploring some healthier lifestyles. And in this video, I am doing a 14-day no sugar challenge. Now, as a self-proclaimed sugar addict, I am bracing myself for the impending doom. So join me on this interesting journey where I'll be sharing what I ate, the benefits I experienced, and some of my struggles.
I tend to be dizzy.
So you might as well just consider me your personalized guinea pig. Can I do it? Will I survive?
This is one diet that I'm actually glad that I'm now stopping.
Let's find out.
So it's day 14. Let's unpack everything that went down. This is one diet that I wish I did a little bit longer. And also this is one diet that I'm actually glad that I'm now stopping. One thing I must say, my skin, this is like one of the reasons why I did want to try this diet was to see what happens to your skin if you don't take in any sugar or stuff like that, because I heard it does something to your skin. And I must say, even though I did it for such a short time, my skin feels good. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if I should say it's glowing, but just I've noticed a difference whenever I look in the mirror, like even the feel of it. I don't really have like a strict skincare, and I don't really get pimples as much unless it's that time of the month. Now, if you notice, I've only been drinking water. I haven't been drinking I hate sparkling water. I hate that stuff. I stopped having the sugarless tea. I just stopped. It kind of, I don't know, it kind of like, it was too strong. I've been drinking too much water. Now, I don't know why, but I tend to be dizzy. I don't know if it's lack of sugar or what, but this is one reason why I'm like, okay, no, this is one diet I'm glad I'm stopping. But I think like from day 1 to maybe 3, I was like, yeah, okay, I got this, I've got my energy and all that. But then as the days went on, I started feeling like, okay, no, what is going on? Especially like when I'm working out, those first couple of days I think were fine, and then when we got to the next days, I started getting dizzy a lot. And then I moved to Pilates, which for me, I'm liking Pilates. So if I didn't do this diet, I probably wouldn't have done Pilates. I always like to have my body doing some form of workout, even if it's yoga or what. That's like one good thing that came out of this diet, was for me to find another alternative instead of just doing HIIT workouts every week, which is something that I stick to every week. But now I like Pilates. I started doing it and I like it. If you guys have any questions you want to ask me that I might have not mentioned in the video, make sure to, just comment down below, and yeah, I'll answer you. But next, okay, wait, no, I need to like really take a break for like a week or two, before I go to the next diet. So make sure you've subscribed because I'm going to be trying another diet. Yeah, I just need a break though with these diets. Like, I need a break. I'll see you guys in the next video.